In this video, we will be discussing the TopHap Analytics layer bar. With this feature, you can quickly analyze and understand everything there is to know about any property or region. By hovering over a category, you see the map analytics layers that you can toggle on or off. If you hover over the layer itself, then you will see a tooltip description of its purpose. Note that some categories contain a long list of layers and you can scroll them to see more. The layers are grouped together into the following categories to help you understand what things cost with our value analytics, property details with our property analytics, area characteristics using our region analytics, hazard analytics show you just that, hazards. Our market analytics layers show you market insights. Analyze different investor favorite indicators with our investment analytics. With our community analytics, you can learn everything about the most important aspect of any region, the people that live there. And with our school analytics, you don't just see school ratings and attendance zones, but so much more. If you click a layer, then you will notice that the map will load it and the legend will change to show you the currently selected layer details and its current minimum and maximum value range. Note, the legend has the same layer tooltip that you can recall by hovering over the info icon. If you click on a selected layer again, then it will be hidden. To close the layer bar menus, either click on the open category or anywhere outside the bar. As you explore the different layers to get a deep understanding of properties and regions, you'll notice that some layers have additional options that show up in the legend when the layer is enabled. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.